Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey there, car enthusiasts. Are you tired of seeing your exhaust tips covered in grime and residue? Well, fret no more because today, I'm going to unveil the world's top 5 best exhaust tip cleaners. Say goodbye to dull and dirty exhausts and hello to a gleaming shine that'll make heads turn. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or a newbie to the automotive scene, this is a game changer you don't want to miss. So, check the link in the description below and let's get your ride shining like new. Number 1. Hydrosilex All-Purpose Cleaner. Packed in a 16-ounce bottle, this powerhouse delivers professional-grade cleaning prowess right into your hands. Tackle tough grime, grease, and oils effortlessly with its potent formula. Perfect for your engine bay, wheel wells, exhaust tips, and more, it's the ultimate all-purpose solution for heavy-duty cleaning needs. Specifically, as the best exhaust tip cleaner, it excels in revitalizing those hard-to-reach areas, leaving them sparkling like new. What sets it apart? Its gentle touch on paint, plastics, and metals ensures a thorough clean without any damage. From dirty buildup on tires to stubborn residue in door jams, this cleaner effortlessly cleans, degreases, and decontaminates, making it a must-have for any detailing enthusiast. Say goodbye to grime and hello to a showroom finish with Hydrosilex All-Purpose Cleaner. Number 2. Dural Lube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment Cleaner Fuel Additive. This performance-enhancing solution is a must-have for your vehicle, offering a boost to fuel systems and engine efficiency whenever you need it. It's not just about performance, it's about protection too. Shield your catalytic system from harmful oil buildup, maintaining its efficiency for longer. Worried about replacing your catalytic converter? Use this treatment before taking that step. With its unique formulation, it reduces phosphorus and zinc retention levels at the catalyst inlet, ensuring a cleaner, smoother operation. Plus, it doesn't just improve your vehicle's performance, it also helps increase fuel economy. Compatible with all engines, this universal fit additive is a saving grace for both your wallet and your ride. For the best exhaust tip cleaner and overall engine performance, look no further than Dural Lube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment Cleaner Fuel Additive. Number 3. Cotes Catalytic and Exhaust Cleaner Treatment Fuel Additive. Elevate your vehicle's performance with this remarkable solution. Engineered to enhance fuel systems and engine efficiency, this additive is a game changer. Say goodbye to premature catalytic converter replacements, as Cotes shields your catalytic system from harmful oil deposits, ensuring optimal efficiency. By reducing phosphorus and zinc retention levels at the catalyst inlet, it prolongs the life of your catalytic converter. Plus, with its universal fit, it's compatible with all engines, making it a versatile choice for any vehicle. Experience increased fuel economy and a smoother ride with Cotes Catalytic and Exhaust Cleaner Treatment Fuel Additive. It's the ultimate companion for maintaining peak performance and protecting your catalytic system. Get yours today and witness the difference. Number 4. Soldering Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer, your go-to solution for maintaining peak performance in your vehicle's exhaust system. With its powerful formula, this 16 fluid ounces fuel additive effectively removes buildup, ensuring your catalytic converter functions optimally. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors with its ability to eliminate rotten egg smells from exhaust emissions. Not just a cleaner, it acts as an oxygen sensor cleaner too, extending the lifespan of your converter and potentially reducing the frequency of tune-ups. Perfect for emissions testing, it aids in passing control tests while promoting better fuel efficiency and preventing power loss during acceleration. For the best exhaust tip cleaner, look no further than Soldering Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer, your partner in maintaining a clean and efficient engine. Number 5. 3D Metal Polish, the ultimate solution for restoring shine and protecting metal surfaces. Engineered to perfection, This heavy-duty polish cleaner is your go-to for tackling tough stains, rust, and oxidation on various metals like chrome, aluminum, brass, silver, and more. Whether it's your exhaust tip needing a makeover or your prized wheels craving a pristine finish, 3D Metal Polish delivers remarkable results effortlessly. Its user-friendly formula ensures easy application. Simply apply directly or onto a soft microfiber towel and watch stains vanish with a gentle scrub. Proudly made in the USA, this product boasts over 25 years of industry expertise, ensuring uncompromising quality every time. Trust 3D Metal Polish to revive and protect your metal surfaces, making every shine last longer. Say goodbye to stains and hello to brilliance with 3D Metal Polish, your best exhaust tip cleaner companion. In conclusion, finding the best exhaust tip cleaner can make a significant difference in maintaining your vehicle's appearance and performance. Whether it's restoring shine or preventing corrosion, choosing the right product matters. By considering factors like material compatibility and ease of use, you can ensure optimal results. Remember, regular maintenance enhances not only the aesthetics but also the longevity of your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more updated videos.